a lot of money for. You can also, guys, there's one risk on Mercari, is a 3-day return window. If you have a chance to test the item, if you like it, whether you like it or not, whether you think it's fake or not. You have those 3 days for you to reach out to the seller itself or to Mercari for help. But guys, after you do that, you're good from there. Another thing that I have to point out is, guys, I have an affiliate, a reference link to you guys. I'm going to post it on my bio, on my YouTube, and also on my description of this video down below. Guys, you can use my link for $10 off on your first sale, and I'm going to also get, I think it's 10 or 20 after you do your first purchase. So if you use it, just send me your email privately on my community and we can exchange email, so you can use my affiliate number so you can get $10 off when you're going to use Mercari for the first time. And guys, I'm running out of air. If you use Mercari before, comment down below your best nail product that you use or your deal that you used in there. Let me know if you used it before down in the comments down below. And yes, I used, this is the base gel that I used, and this is the product that I've been buying in there, and I've been saving a ton of money in there. Like I said, it's really, really good. At the moment, I believe they do not have no American, unfortunately, they do not have no American gel products, but you can search on other ones that they do have, like the IBD, which IBD is not hypoallergenic, but you can work around them. And like I said, you have to be diligent with that and try to search often, because sometimes they just add items in there when you don't know. So guys, yes, as I said, I will also talk about the alternative product that I'm using at the moment. Is the IBD gel. It's right here, this pretty lady. I'm using this one, and which I really, really like is because it works, it's easy to work, and also it flows very softly, and it's for some of us who deal with HEMA and acrylates. This is easy to work and it doesn't spread. Oh, well, it does spread when you use it, but I'm going to show you a tip maybe in this video or in another one, but just stay tuned to the end so that way you can find out. But yeah, this is going to be part 1 of me just showing you and guiding you how to get the best deals on now on this one, the framework from American Creator. Also this one, the IBD gel. This one is made in Los Angeles. Oh, I love it. California. This one, I'm not sure, but I know that the owners are Russians and the creators are also Russian. So even though it says American Creator, I know that it's not made in America. Guys, this is not a sponsored video. It's just my honest tips to help other nail techs and to find great deals safely and smartly. And all the DIYers, like maybe myself or maybe like you. Maybe you DIY your nails at home just like me. So if you see my boo-boo there on my hand, yes, something happened when I was loading the shopping carts, when I was buying food, and I got cut as I was doing stuff, but never mind that. So let me go, I'll give you guys a little bit of the background based on this gel, the American Creator frameworks. They're really, really good, especially this one is my favorite, the framework gels. The line of the framework has I'm going to try to show you. They self-level really nicely, but I'm going to try to open it with one hand because I'm holding my phone in the other hand. They self-level really nicely as you are trying to self-level them, but it's a little bit hard to work with. I really like them, but I know that one thing about them is that I do not have their base gel. And so lately, what I used, not lately, but what I've been using for the length of the period of time that I've been using them as a base gel is construction gel, which works really well if you use a really thin amount of product. But this one is so pretty. As you can see, their colors are gorgeous. Never mind the little maybe hair pieces, because you know they get dirty, you have to clean the containers. And so this one right here is advanced. They're really, really good, but like I said, you do need a base gel. What I use as a base is this at the moment. And so the other one that is amazing and really, really good because it's like strengthened the nail plate is this one, the acrylate. This one is more of a harder consistency. It's harder than poly gel, but it's similar to poly gel. But my favorite at the moment of this framework gel line is the Lily one, because it's so pretty. And like I said, I do not have their base gels at the moment. I did order some, but what I've been experiencing with this one, with American Creator, is that when I do my nails with this one, the product just kind of it just lifts a little bit too early for me, and that part I realized later on after many tries. And so like I said, it could be based on the fact that I do not have their base gel, and I've been using this as a basic construction gel, just a really tiny bit, which I really like it. But I have noticed that the construction gel works amazing with the acrylate gel. The acrylate gel allows your nails to stay strong for a long time. They do not fall off. It doesn't even want to come off your nail, as you you know, you cannot even file it off. It's really good. That I can tell you that much. But this one, the framework gel, doesn't work 100% perfect with the construction gel. You need to use a base gel, like I said. But what I've been using lately, because I have actually switched to another product, I've been doing this Gel-X, and I love Gel-X so much. But what I have to tell you about Gel-X, after I used Gel-X for a long time, for a long period of time, maybe months, maybe a year, I really loved it so much. It allows me to do the shape it's like, it will look like this, a small one, right? But shorter. This one I bought natural short. The short is too short, and so this is the length that I have right now. I did the Gel X once or twice or maybe 3 times, and so once I have to file it off. I filed it off so many times, the Gel X, that I had to, you know, it just goes away. It grows out. You have to keep filing and cutting your nails to have the length that I desire, this length. And I'm not gonna lie to you, as you do your Gel X, they're so pretty. If you do a great job with this, their A press, this is a little bit in the expensive side. Their gel, their extend gel, I also bought this on Mercari, in the website that I'm showing you today, and it was actually for a cheaper price. Also, the box, I also bought it in there as well, in Mercari, for a cheaper price, because they're too expensive in their retail prices. One of the boxes I ended up getting it in Amazon, but I'm not sure if there's a big difference. But I can tell you the truth is that the long one that I ordered off of Amazon, this big box, the nail extensions that I ordered off of Amazon, they were kind of like different. One of them was like falling off of my nail, so I'm not sure if one of the box is fake or it's real or what. But what I can tell you is that this, I bought it off of Mercari with the box, and it worked perfectly. Oh my goodness, this one is a sensitive one. This one, the original price is $44, I believe, or I'm not sure. I think this one's a smaller one, so it would be like 30, I think. I'm not sure, guys. We'll have to double check that. And so I bought it off of Mercari for 16 bucks. Like I said, the deals that you find on Mercari are so good. So the whole bundle on Mercari, I found it for, how much? I believe it's $25 plus shipping, maybe $5 extra, 6 in total, $30. And that was a bundle that I bought for 26 bucks in total, maybe 32 bucks. But if you go in the retail price, this is going to be more expensive. In the retail price, this box would be around 30, I think, or 26, and this one would be, you know, it was just, you will end up paying around 50 bucks plus $10 shipping if you buy it in the retail price. And that's the reason why here today I'm showing you the place and where and how you should buy them for a cheaper price. That place is Mercari. It's an amazing place to go buy and save your money. And like I said, this one is a sensitive one, which a sensitive one, I bought it sensitive because, you know, it, when it says sensitive, that means it's hypoallergenic. But yes, guys, I'm going to try this one with a different base besides this, and so I'm going to see if it leaves or if it has any air bubbles or air pockets, so that way you can know if this one works perfect. And the reason why I've been using IBD as an alternative instead of the Gel X, like I said, it doesn't lift or anything like that with their product, their extend gel. It's really good, it looks beautiful. And the one thing that I gotta say, you do not need slip layer. Oh my god, slip layer just is a waste of time. When you do slip layer, it's really good for some gels like the construction gel, or you know, the other framework gels. They're really good with a slip layer. But this one, the IBD, you do not need a slip layer. If you do a slip layer with the IBD hard gel, your gel's just going to be running. It's going to go around your fingers, and of course it's going to give you allergic reactions. But it doesn't happen to me because, like I said, I know how to clean up well with the Bounty. Is my best friend. The alcohol, those are the essentials for you not to have allergic reactions happening to you. But what I've been doing to avoid running the product to be running around my cuticles is I do not do a slip layer. I do the base, I clean up my nails, right? I prime them, I dehydrate them, prime them, and then I use the extend gel as a base. And then after that I use the IBD, and I don't do a slip layer. I just do one bead, kind of big or medium small, whatever I need at the moment, and I just wait for it to balance it out. I kind of drag it down, just turn the finger upside down for the gravity to balance it out really cute, and then I just dry. Yeah, it takes a little bit longer to dry in comparison to the construction, the American Creator, or the frameworks. It takes longer to dry. I do not like that part, but it's really good, and I really love it. I gotta tell you that much. There is also a good tip of where I buy these ones. This one I don't buy them on Mercari. Of course, the framework gels I buy them on Mercari. The sensitive one from A Press, I buy them on Mercari, really good price. The gel tips also, you can find them on Mercari, really good price. The IBD, I'm sure you can find them on Mercari for a good price, but what I've been doing lately to find the IBD is I go to Walmart or I go to Amazon, and I find them there for $17 in Prime days, for 16 bucks on Prime, then 14, and also on Walmart online, not in person. I haven't tried that, but you can try that. So guys, note before I leave, always make sure that your products are authentic and sealed before you buy them, and you can also read the reviews so that way you can be more cautious. Guys, we arrived to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe for part 2 or 3, and I'll show you exactly how I use the IBD gels and more tips. Make sure to press on the like and notifications, that way you can stay notified for the next video. God bless you. And